Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY shoulder reliever for under $10. I'm going to show you a full shoulder reliever workout. I went to the shoulder reliever website and they're charging one shoulder reliever kit for $189.99 before shipping. I analyzed the structure of the device, which is basically a handle, a string or rope, and a weight. I thought I could just use 2 bottles. I would drill a hole in each bottle cap and then I'll attach a string to both bottles. You'll have one bottle as the handle and the other bottle as the weight. You could increase the weight by adding water to the bottle that's not used as the handle. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work. However, I was pleasantly surprised that it did work, and I'm here to show you how. So first, I ordered some string from the internet. It could be a thin string as long as it's sturdy, not gonna snap. It could be a nylon rope as well. If it's a nylon rope, you might need to drill a bigger hole for it to go through the cap. I drilled a hole in the cap, put the string through, tie the string so that it doesn't come loose from the cap, and then put the caps back on the bottle. I put the water in one of the bottles and we're done. Next, I will show you how to do a similar exercise that has the exact same benefits, if not more, for your shoulder. The movement is almost exactly the same. The only equipment that you need is a rubber ball or a soccer ball, volleyball, or basketball. The name of the exercise is called the shoulder wall ball circle. Lastly, there's one more exercise that has the exact same movement as the shoulder reliever exercise, and it costs you $0. It's called arm circles.